Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Allie, and here on this channel I document the process of building a homestead from scratch. Here is a look at what we got up to this week on the homestead.
There's a pumpkin.
Do you see the other one back there?
Down below? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Why'd they look so different as they were growing? One was yellow from the beginning and one was green, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Look at those.
I know, that's so cool.
Ooh, something's been eaten.
Your boy been eating.
This makes me...
Look, it's on there.
Where?
Huh?
Beetle?
Yeah, probably squash.
This makes me so mad that it doesn't... Like, what's the point of a wind chime if it doesn't chime? We need a tornado for it to chime. I really hate that. We bought that from Tractor Supply so we can hear it chime.
Oh my gosh.
God, a lot of the orange variety.
Yeah.
These are done, right? These aren't.
Yeah, they need to be like picked.
Look at them over there.
Wow, it is still out here.
Yeah.
Not a breath of wind.
I think it works better. That works pretty good. Whoa! Oh, I got you in the head.
These bubbles look crazy on camera. Wow, look at the bubbles on the ground. Hey, look, they're sticking to the grass. See that? Can you pop it? Ooh, it's making its way downtown.
Look at that. Watch this. Watch when I go like this. You see how it's like a big bubble?
Yeah.
Oh, mosquito on your arm. Not on your head, hon. Not on your cup.
Why are these the most buoyant bubbles ever?
I know, it's awesome. Look at that. I can look, split it in half.
Oh, look at the atom.
Did you see that? Look at that. I just split it in threes.
I always have to convince Chance to come out here, but once he does, he truly enjoys himself. Oh my God, look at her. What is on me? The F, David Blaine.
What, hon?
Well, it turns out that surprisingly, my favorite vegetable I grew this summer was eggplant. I tried to make eggplant with every dinner we had this summer, and unfortunately, I only had enough plants to have eggplant like 3 dinners a week. So next summer, it's high on my priority list to grow more eggplant so that I can have eggplant more like 5 days a week during peak season. I don't know why none of my dinners ever look appetizing, but I grilled that. I grilled this eggplant just on the grill. I kind of cross-hatched it and put salt and pepper and oil in it. It's delicious. So that is a winter eggplant recipe. Simple, just on the grill. It's delectable. And then my daughter and I went on a bit of an adventure, and I gave the pig pen a freshening up with some new wood chips. Good morning. We just woke up and I am off work today, so my baby and I are going to have a mama baby day. So come with us to have a fun day. Come with me to have a fun adventure day with my little girl. First and foremost, we have to do animal chores. Pigs and chickens. My new favorite pastime is donating everything I own to Goodwill. Out with the old and with the new. The old new. We found a wild Nana at the grocery store.
Give her a little star. Didn't want any more.
I got a horchata shaken espresso. No oat milk, sub whole milk. Alrighty, the baby's down for a nap, and my mom and I are going to feed these pigs. These are the best fed pigs in all of Georgia. So heavy. Wow, that's heavy. Oh. Get back.
Oh my god. Some good stuff in there. Lots of veggies, a lot of protein. Some pasta though. There is some pasta.
All right, I'm gonna harvest some of my eggplants. My food always looks so unappetizing.
Why?
I don't know, it's just like watery eggplant spaghetti. Not to be dramatic, but today was one of the best days of my life. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, I am out early this morning getting some wood chips refreshed in the chickens and the pigs. Okay, moving wood chips without a machine is very labor intensive. I see these pigs, let me show you. These pigs have made a borderline wallow right here, and they're gonna be very sad when I move all these wood chips and cover up their wallow. The other thing that's on my list today, if you can't tell, I have a day off. The other thing on my list is harvesting my potatoes so that I can get my sweet potatoes in the ground. It might be too late for sweet potatoes, but I have the slips, so I will go ahead and plant them and see what happens. And finally, it was time to harvest this summer's potato crop. The time has finally come to see what's going on with these potato plants. See if we grew any potatoes. So I'm going to harvest this little patch and maybe this little patch. We'll see.
Wow. It's my biggest potato harvest ever. Good job, baby. Thank you.
Okay.
You want to help me carry it in the house? We'll have some of these for dinner. It'll be delicious. Wow, so this is a lot of potatoes in a very small little potato patch here. And I would say the coolest part about this harvest is that the seed potatoes that I got were just organic potatoes from the grocery store that I left out long enough to develop eyes. I mean, I didn't even leave them in like a dark place or in a paper bag or like any particular way. Like I just left them on my counter until they developed eyes. And then I stuck those in the ground and then I stuck those in the ground 3 months ago, and here I am. I mean, this is probably, I'm never very good at saying how much things weigh, but I mean, 15 pounds of potatoes for sure. Pretty cool. All right, so now with these potatoes, I'm going to set them on my very DIY drying rack over here. I don't know anything about curing, so we'll see how this goes. I mean, we probably could eat all of these fresh, but I'm just gonna figure out how to cure things on a wire rack. Alrighty, here is my wire rack, so these can start to cure. I think maybe I've heard don't even like brush the dirt off of them. I'm not even sure. Did I hear that? I don't know. But I didn't brush the dirt off of them. I didn't do anything but pull them out of the ground. And now they're here on this rack, and we will see if they change. I mean, what's supposed to happen? I guess their skin is supposed to be a little bit harder after this. But while I am sort of in this harvest mode, I'm going to I think I'm gonna get those big pumpkins off the arch trellis because they're just getting so heavy. And I'll kind of experiment with curing those too. All right, so I'm gonna just harvest these. I don't even know what they are, so.
What you got, hon?
Well, I don't know if these are supposed to like keep growing on the vine, which is the arch trellis, but I just went ahead and picked them, and we're gonna experiment with curing things here on the front porch. This is a north-facing porch, so it'll stay pretty cool. It's the hottest it'll be like around this time of day, which is the afternoon, but this gets pretty good shade, and I have a fan blowing down here to get good air circulation. I think. And
what else we got over here?
These are all potatoes.
It's a pretty good haul.
And it's very good. The biggest potato haul I've ever had.
Awesome.
Potatoes, and I guess these are pumpkins. They look like pumpkins.
Awesome. Good job, hon.
Wow.
The next morning, we woke up and did some work outside, and I got some corn plants that my mom had bought us planted into the ground. I decided to dig out the exit of the chicken run on a whim, and I may or may not have messed it up more than I helped. So Chance is fixing my mistakes. What are you doing, hon?
Grading. I'll make a nice little, since Allie decided to just dig a giant hole right by the door of this coop, I gotta
I gotta do something with it.
Yeah, do something with it.
Here. Okay, I have 2 rows of corn planted. Okay, it is so hot out there. My husband used to work in the field as an electrician, like doing electrical work, like on construction sites in skyscrapers, or like in a big open field, like before the building's put in. I cannot imagine people that work outside. And he had to wear jeans and boots and a hard hat. I said, were you able to have an umbrella? And he said no. I would not survive. And the fact that I have ever thought to myself, gardening's not that hard. I don't know what people are talking about. They just don't have gardens big enough. I just didn't have a garden big enough to understand. Cheese tax.
Okay, madame, we have a beautiful garden farm fresh egg omelet with sun-dried tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, bacon,
This looks so good.
bell pepper, freshly picked.
Oh, there's bell pepper in there?
Bell pepper. And salt and pepper.
And farm fresh eggs.
And farm fresh eggs.
And fresh milled flour.
And what? Just kidding.
And who?
Okay, little girlie.
So yummy.
I made a big omelet so you and mommy can share it.
We're all gonna share it.
It was time that we graduated some of our new laying chicks from their brooder, which is actually just a mobile chicken tractor, into the main flock.
Chance is moving some of our new laying hens into the chicken run.
Relocated. This part is always the hardest because I hate to see our main flock meeting to the babies. Be nice, everybody.
God, they're big.
She's one of you. She's brown just like you. Be nice. All right, let's go get the others. Come on, little girlie. Come on, Papa. Okay. All right, ladies, everybody relax. Everybody relax. Okay. I'm gonna move slow. So y'all don't panic and fly around it. It's sad when you try to fly and you slam into the walls of the chicken tractor. So I'm gonna move slow. Everybody stay calm. Everybody stay calm. It's okay. It's okay. Edgar, when you're a little bit bigger, you'll be able to help Papa. There's my other brown one. That's okay. These meat birds are bred for meat, so So they know, instinctually they know when someone goes to pull them out of the tractor, it's typically to go get their neck slit.
Generationally.
Yeah, they have generational trauma.
That's not funny, it's disturbing. I can shut it for you. Oh, she's kissing
All right,
me.
hon, will you maybe give me a hand here?
These chickens have the better end of the stick.
Oh yeah, they have a happy life in front of them. The meat birds are in a concentration camp.
At least they have a little bit more room now.
No, the meat birds have for their short life, they.
Yeah, definitely for their short life, they do have a good one. Oh.
Ooh.
Drop like a stone. Up.
Oh.
Gonna break their feet.
Lordy mercy. Okay. Doing pretty good. So where are they? 1, 2, 3. Where are the other 2 that I just put in here?
Right here by the door waiting to get out. Just don't know a good thing if you smack them in the face with it.
Are y'all okay? Y'all run around. Have fun. Welcome to the farm. That's Ragnar the rooster. He's Papa. We have 2 creepy uncles over there, the other 2 roosters. We don't like them. They shouldn't be too mean to you.
They'll be gone soon.
They'll be gone soon. We have Mary and Pippin over there, and 2 pigs. Oh, that's not their names. We gotta name them. What are 2 girl names that? That's funny.
Beefcake and
I don't like the dumb little like
meat names.
yeah.
It's
Pork chop or like whatever. I don't like that.
Because it's dark.
It's just dumb.
It's just dumb.
It's not a joke. We're doing this for food. Make them, name them.
Let's name them something ironic, like kale
I
and
don't want to.
kale and iceberg lettuce.
Ironic that way.
What do you think I mean?
I thought you meant ironic, like pork chop or
No.
whatever.
Let's name them kale and carrot.
No.
Let's name them vegan and vegan.
Let's name them normal names.
Vegan and vegan. Ada girl, say hi to vegan and vegan. Hiya.
We're going.
My green bean harvest.
Where?
Right here. We got 1 green bean.
Wow.
Pick it. Want to try? It's good. It's past time to water? Oh my god, I know. I mean, how long does it take to water this whole garden? Auxiliary plants. Yeah, it takes a long, and then to mow the grass is a whole nother thing. I'm not gonna lie to you, that was disgusting. Our meat birds are getting close to their harvest size. They're looking big. That one seems to have a deformed. That one seems to have a deformed leg. You see, one of these has a deformed leg. You see that, hon?
Okay.
You see that one of these has a You see that one of these has a deformed leg?
Probably gave it to us. Which one?
It's that little one back there.
Look how cute that little thing is. See how big its eyes are?
Oh, wow, yeah.
Isn't that crazy looking?
Yeah. Have you heard them gobble?
So,
Oh, yeah, that one's a little different.
yeah, that's what I was wondering.
I think that's just a female.
But
They all look male.
yeah, that's depending on the breed. Some have, like over there in the other coop, we have two of the same breed that are both females, and one has a comb, one doesn't.
This way, baby. Come here. Way to go. This way. Come on, baby. Say hi, airplane.
Hiya.
Hi, airplane.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah.
You chew that with your teeth. Little rag. No, not the green ones. Not the green ones. Not the green ones, baby. Not the green ones. Oh my gosh. Okay, fine. You can have that one. That's not good, is it?
Yeah.
Chew it with your teeth. Chew it with your teeth. Spit it out. Chew it with your teeth. Chew it with your teeth. With your teeth. There you go. She takes one single bite, sucks the juice out, and throws it on the ground.
Eat it.
The next morning, I woke up to a pig problem. I just woke up and I'm stressed about these pigs because they still haven't figured out their nipple waterer, and now they've taken to knocking over any and all containers of water that we try to put in their pen. So I need to get in there and try to figure out a better solution for the pigs waterer. We have something coming today that I hope may work better for the pigs watering needs. See, they're just obsessed with making mud wallows, so I don't know. Hopefully this temporary little rigged situation will keep them in water all day. This is their nipple waterer, but they just are not drinking out of, they just have not figured out the nipple waterer. And I don't know if we have it maybe in a bad spot. If anybody knows how to encourage pigs to use the nipple waterer, please let me know. The morning chores here are pretty straightforward and simple. You have to
feed and water the pigs, feed and water the chickens, and then feed and water the meat birds that we have out here in this mobile chicken tractor. So yeah, it's not too bad every morning. It's kind of relaxing and it's not too hot out here. I mean, these guys seems like they have enough food and water, so they don't go through the food and water nearly as fast as other meat birds that we've had. This is a heritage breed called Dorking. I like them. I guess while I'm out here this morning, I'll just let the sprinkler run for a minute. It's gonna be another 90+ degree day out here. My watermelon. I don't know if I ever got back to you guys about making these oven dried cherry tomatoes, but they're so good. I'm just harvesting a bunch so I can get another batch going. Already, I did some olive oil. Now I will do some garlic. Before I did either of these things, I salted it really well, which drew a lot of the water and moisture out, and I drained that. And now I'll toss this and I'll put that in the oven at like 200 for probably like 12 hours.
As always, thank you all so much for watching another video. If you are interested in that sun-dried tomato recipe that I showed at the end of this video, check out the description below. Consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss any future videos. And with that, I will see you in the next one. Bye!